URasool wemukelwe njengeqhawe ekhathi etheleka esikhumulweni seyindiza eKapa izolo. Omunye umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uthi uRasool ugejile ngombono wakhe wayizolo ukuthi akayisoli ngakusho ngohulumeni waseMelika okwamdonsela amanzi ngomsele.
Ideally speaking, he should have not said anything at the airport. He should have just arrived and sort of greeted all his friends and acquaintances and so on, but did not making any type of statement like he did. Because that is, in a sense, perpetuating what he did at the Mistra webinar.
Nonobhala jikelele umfelandawonye wenyunyana zezisebenzi SAFTU uZwelinzima Mavavi uthi uRasool bekungafanele akhulume nabantu khathi efika kuleli.
We respect those who are advancing a view that says he should have raised all of what he said, which no one can dispute as a untruth. But he should have not used that platform. He should have briefed the president behind the closed curtains and doors, and so that he keeps the channels going between South Africa and the United States of America diplomatic.
Akukacaci ukuthi ubani ozongena kulesikhundla njengoba kuke kwavela amagama elwaye ngqongqoshe uLindiwe Sisulu nowaye ngumholi weDA uTony Leon. Kodwa lesi siphakamiso asinambitheki kahle kumakadebona weANC.
I saw it on the news earlier just now, where they've got 3 white South Africans as people they think would be the ones to represent South Africa. I think it's just a wrong approach.
Umshayi wesiginci owazalelwa kuleli nosezinze eMelika uJonathan Butler uphawulile ngobudlelwane beNingizimu Afrika neMelika. uButler uhlonishwe ngeziqu zobudokotela iDoctor of Philosophy eNyuvesi yaseStellenbosch eKapa.
We need to have the black and the white and the colored and the Indian at the same table. And right now the world in America is so divided right now. It's so divisive. People are afraid to say what they, though people have become more emboldened, especially the white people in America, certain groups, sections, have become more emboldened to declare their racist views.
NeMelika ikasigcwalisa isikhundla senxusa layo elesula ngaseqaleni kwalonyaka uReuben Bridgerton. Lesikhundla sabanjwa nguDana Brown, naye owesula mhla zili-14 kwephezulu kwasekubamba uDavid Green.